Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mervice. I hope you guys are having a great day today and happy holidays to all of you. Today I'm just bringing you a quick makeup look, and this is the makeup look that I'm going to be showing you how to achieve. It is something like a little bit more festive, a little bit more for the holidays, for New Year's. This is probably what I'm going to be doing for New Year's. So if you guys want to see how to achieve this, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to start right away applying my primer, and I'm going to be using my favorite primer, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm going to apply this primer all over my face, obviously. Almost forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to apply a little bit of this MAC Press Plus Prime. I don't know, it's a corrector. It's called a highlighter, but really for me, I'm just going to correct dark circles and also like any dark spots on my face, and then after this I'm going to apply my foundations. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two foundations. One of them is the Makeup Forever HD foundation, and the other one is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. And the shades and everything is going to be down below if you guys want to check out the shades, and everything I'm going to be using is going to be linked down below. I'm going to have all the details in the little detail or comment box, forgot the name, over there. You guys know, just click down there. So I'm going to be using my crown brush. I think it's a foundation brush. I got it in my BoxyCharm, so I'm going to be applying blending in my foundation with this, and I'm just tapping the foundation very lightly. And lately I've been loving just to like dab in my or just like kind of tap in my beauty blender on my face, and this is just to like blend even further my foundation. Mine is dry because I don't know, I just like it dry all the time, mostly because I'm always lazy, but it's just easy and still works. That way you don't have any strikes or strokes of the brush on your face. And I'm gonna be using this Tarte Shape Tape concealer, which I think is, I don't know, the most iconic concealer ever. I finally gave in and got this one, which is amazing. I can't complain. So I'm just going to be applying it under my eyes, and then also I'm going to cancel out a little bit this mark that I can still see. Maybe in the camera you can't see it, but I can still see a little bit, so I'm going to be using it right there. So now I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Contour Makeup Stick, and this one is like my favorite contour stick of all times, and mine is in the shade Call Me Maple. Alright, and now that my contour is almost done, at least for the cream contour, I'm going to go a little bit further with highlighting my under eye, and I'm going to be using my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This one's in the color Golden. Alright guys, now that my concealer and cream contour is done, I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to be using the palette that you guys have seen the most here, and this is a contour palette. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I'm going to be using this light color, which is kind of like a yellowish color, to set and also to brighten my under eye area. And then I'm going to be using this color over here just to set my cream contour. And then after that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. I'm not going to use this color. I'm going to use the 310. I'm going to look for it in a second, and then that's the one I'm going to be using to set my face. Alright guys, as you can see, my face is done. So I applied something I did not tell you that I was going to apply is this. This is the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless Blush Kit. Well actually, I don't know if that is part of the brand. I mean, I don't know if that's the name of the thing, but this is a... Alright guys, so as you can see, my face is completely done aside of the highlighter, which will come later after everything else. But I applied the Real Her Blush Kit, and I applied two colors that are right here, the two darkest colors. I also applied this bronzer by Beauty Basics, and this is called Bronze Essentials. This I got on my BoxyCharm, just like the blush trio, and it's a nice, nice bronzer. So now I'm just going to run into or start doing my eyes, and I'm going to be using the main palette I'll be using for my eye look is this one right here, and this is the Colourpop Double Entendre eyeshadow palette, and this one has really nice colors. It is kind of like a basic, I bought it because it's a basic eyeshadow palette, but at the same time, when I was looking at like what to do, I don't know, the color of the eyeshadow palette just kind of like gave me an idea, and I wanted to do something like champagne-ish, but still want to do a red lip. So we are going to play with this one, and I might pull in another one, but we'll see how it goes because I have not like planned exactly what I want, but I do have an idea. So we're gonna play with this eyeshadow palette, and yeah, let me just get started. So I'm going to start with this color, which is the lightest color here, and it's Flasher, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid as a eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to use this color, which is the color Hard, and I'm going to use it as my first transition color. Then after that, I'm going to use Extracurricular as the second transition, and then I'm going in with this color over here, which is Keep It PG or PJ, I don't know, that color over there, which is a brown color, very nice. And as you can see guys, I'm trying to blend this eyeshadow as much as possible. I'm getting almost to underneath my brow bone. Okay guys, so as you saw, I used this beautiful shade, which is kind of like a bronzy gold kind of color, and it's called Hot Bud. And then after that, I applied my Artist Couture highlighter, and this one, let's see, it's in the shade Illuminati, and I just applied it kind of like in the center of my eyelids, so just to give it kind of like a little pop. And now I'm just gonna go in with my Physicians Formula eyeliner. This one is the Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner Plus Serum in the color Ultra Black. And then I'm gonna tightline my eyes, and then I'm going to go with my favorite lash or mascara, I'm sorry, and this is the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise, Voluminous Lash Paradise, and there you have it. I know you guys have seen it 1,000 times here on my channel, but I just love it. That's my favorite, especially since I don't use any falsies. But if you are going to do this look and you use falsies, you can totally put on your falsies. It's gonna look amazing with them, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Also, I could have gone a little darker with my eye, and especially like in the outer corners of my eyes, but I decided to just keep it this way with this brown because I'm gonna do like a red lips, so I don't want it to be way too much. Plus I really want to play with my highlights, so I'm just gonna go and do that, and you guys keep watching. Alright, so now I'm going to apply the same transition colors I applied on the outer part of my lids, and I'm gonna blend them the same way I did when I was transitioning. Alright guys, so now that my face is completely done, I'm going to move on to lips. So I'm going to apply this lip liner by the brand Jump Blue, and this one is in the color Rich Red, which is kind of like a little bit, like it says, you know, it's a rich red. And then I'm going to apply this Milani Matte Amore Metallic, what is it called? Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream, and this one is in the color Madeline Love. So let's just move on to that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and hope to see you back on my channel very soon. Bye!